Hello! As you can see by the title, this is a twist out tutorial. It's gonna be super quick because I know that you guys already know how to do a twist out. And what I'm gonna do is untie these first 4 sections just to show you how I did it. It is a simple single strand knot which you will learn how to do in no time. I wasn't too fussy about how I was gonna part it because I wanted it to look natural. I didn't use a comb to part it, but if you want to do that, welcome to. Lately I haven't been able to mix my own oils, so I just thought let me get my natural hair oils. I took my rice water that I've been using as a rinse. It's the rice water on my hair just to make sure that it's easy to twist. And I finished off with my DIY flaxseed gel. I'll put this behind my ear and just show you. Just untie this long twist. So as I said, wow, my hair is gonna look so bomb when I actually take this out. Look at this, hey? So, okay, here are my 2 strands of hair. I'm holding both of the strands at each end, and I'm going to twist this one down and I'm going to twist this one up, but I'm twisting them both over each other, so you'll see like that. Up and around, up and around, up and around, up and around, together in an opposite direction. Does that make sense? And then of course when I wanted to seal my ends and it was looking a little bit dry, then I would just take my flaxseed gel and I would go over the ends. So this part is looking a little bit dry. Add a little bit of flaxseed gel to make sure that my end is looking good, and there we go. Okay, so now if you haven't got that, I'm just gonna do it again. Remember that this part is going down, so this twist is gonna go like this, and this twist is gonna go like this, but they're gonna go around each other. Does that make sense? Here we go. Over and down, over and down, over and down, opposite directions, over and down. If you wanted to extend a little bit of length, then you could just take some fiber, synthetic fiber, and then you could actually just connect it. I'll show you that as well. Okay, so here I have my synthetic hair. As you can see, it's also ombre like mine. I'm just gonna take one section to show you how you could actually extend your own length. Let's do this one. This is Darling 1 Million. I just also make sure that it's not too straight because it obviously has to match my hair. I'm just gonna untie this one. Yeah, you can clearly see the 2 sections. Okay, here we go. This is my section. I'm gonna put it in the middle of my hair strands, and then I will twist this down, and the other twist will go up. And then just like I showed you the normal twist, these are gonna go over each other. There we go. So in opposite directions over each other, in opposite directions over each other. And here you can closely see that it doesn't look like it's not my own hair. Okay, it's not perfect because I did it quickly, but it's beautiful, hey? And that's it. Like, it's really not, I mean, the first few times it's going to be a little bit difficult, but once you get the hang of it, you're going to be twisting your own hair. You're not going to even want to go into the salon anymore because you realize these people are overcharging you. You can just go and buy your own fiber. You can just go and buy your own hair products and then twist your hair. Of course, if you're using synthetic hair, if you're using fiber, then you're going to make sure that you let the ends set, and you do that by putting it in boiling water. But here you go. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this. I'd be happy to help. I've low-key been wanting to try out a wig. I've never worn a wig in my life. This winter, I just feel like it's the time. I might just braid my hair into cornrows and then get a wig. I'm obviously wanting to protect my hair, so I won't do anything that's harmful to my hair. So let me know if you guys think that's a good idea, or if you're like, no Robyn, don't go there girl.